Today I'm making watermelon tuna. Well, it's of course not actually tuna, it's just watermelon, so if you really want, you can call it faux tuna or watermelon poke or whatever you want. First thing you need, of course, is a watermelon. So just top and tail the melon and peel the rind from the outside. Then just cut the watermelon into nice big cubes. You can make them whatever size you want, but just keep in mind that the pieces will be about 1/3 to 1/4 of the size once they're cooked. I'm marinating about 1,500 grams of watermelon with 5 grams of sesame oil, 50 grams of soy sauce, 2 grams of chili flakes, 2 grams of nori seaweed flakes, and 30 grams of a neutral flavored oil. The seaweed gives the marinade a really nice flavor of the sea that you'd normally be missing since we're not actually using real tuna. This is just kind of a simple guideline for the marinade. You can, of course, add any flavorings you'd like. I've done it with sriracha, lime, ginger, and different seaweeds in the past. Once this is all mixed up, get your watermelon and all the marinade into a Ziploc bag and leave it in the fridge for 6 hours. When it comes time to cook it, place the watermelon cubes onto a parchment-lined baking sheet and try to reserve as much of the marinade as possible as you'll be using it for later. Pop the watermelon cubes into the oven at 180 Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit for about an hour to an hour and a half, stirring the melon pieces occasionally. While that's baking, I'm just mixing together some white and black sesame seeds to use on my watermelon tuna once it's finished. Then I'm taking the leftover marinade, adding some garlic, chili, and a little bit more soy. The watermelon's done when it has the texture of, well, tuna. While the watermelon tuna is still warm, I'm transferring it to a bowl and coating it in the marinade I adjusted earlier. So the first time I saw someone do this, I really could not believe how much it actually looked like fish. I just wanted to show you the texture a little bit more closely here. To finish this off, I'm just coating a few of my pieces in the mixed sesame seeds, but this tuna is great served over rice, in poke bowls, or in a salad with a spicy peanut dressing. Anywhere you'd use tuna, you can use this watermelon version as a great meat-free alternative.